If you're using Poe AI but not getting the results you want, the problem usually isn't the AI, it's how you're using it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to optimize your results in Poe AI so you get faster, clearer, and more accurate answers every time. First, always start by choosing the right model. Some bots are better for writing, others for reasoning, coding, or research. Picking the right one already improves your results. Your prompt is everything. Instead of vague instructions, be specific about your goal, format, tone, and audience. If your request is big, don't do everything in one prompt. Break it into smaller steps like outline first, then full content, then editing. One of the best ways to optimize results is by refining answers. Ask follow-up questions to improve clarity, tone, or detail. You can control how the AI responds by asking for bullet points, tables, summaries, or structured sections. Poe AI lets you compare different models. If one response isn't good enough, try another bot to get a better perspective. Keep your prompts clean. Avoid unnecessary words or mixed instructions, because that can confuse the AI and reduce output quality. You can improve results by giving the AI a role. For example, ask it to act as an SEO expert, teacher, or content writer. When you find a prompt that works well, save it. Reusing strong prompts helps you get consistent, high-quality results. And that's how to optimize results in Poe AI. Yeah, once you learn how to structure prompts and choose the right models, your output quality improves a lot. Thanks for watching and good luck getting better results with AI.